Item number 15. Tina.
Oh, there's no changes to that.
No changes? Okay, that's the August meetings. Right, move please. Thanks to Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Trewavas. Councillor Woody.
Just in regard to the notice of what we're going to be doing next month, can I just note that the fences, I call it the Free Committee or the Free Dog and Cat Committee, is meeting on the 22nd of August. 2 Fridays ago in the local paper, that meeting was dated in the Taupo Times as being the 16th.
Correction's just been put in.
Okay, thank you.
14.
Sorry?
14.
No, I put in here it's the 16th. It was the 14th, it's changed to where it's there.
Yes, Mr. Mayor.
Yes, Mr. Green.
One last thing, just so Councillors are aware, I am personally on annual leave from the 18th to the 30th of August, and Mr. McLeod will be acting CEO at that time.
18th to the 30th.
Correct.
International duty.
It is international duty.
Cool. All right. Well deserved. All right. Suggested resolution there. I think we did go again. We did be good. Councillor Parker and Councillor Trewavas. Okay. All those in favour, please aye. Aye. Those against, carried. Item number 16, members' reports. Looking forward to them through. Councillor Williamson.
Thank you, Your Worship. I recently attended the local government conference in Dunedin. I haven't tabled a report, I'll just give a brief verbal one, perhaps present one at the end of the month, this meeting. I found it, obviously very interesting. Obviously, it's not rocket science. Some of the issues around the country and in all the communities with dealing with issues like potential amalgamation pushed on us basically through, and it's just the discussion going around cooperation and collaboration rather than amalgamation. There's a theme, an overriding theme through this. Basically, was livability and community livability versus and affordability. Like keeping your organisation lean. And there's a couple of good articles here. I picked out the paper, one from a guy that talks about keeping your organisation lean and change, be able to change rapidly to meet the changes in the future. And yeah, so that's basically obviously other ones. It's with around diversity, spreading investments, like. Keeping up very good quality infrastructure. Obviously, levels of service very important because it's got to be quality. And so this basically, I'll table a report at the end of the month, just a bit more information as to what I gained out of it. It's also gaining, meeting people face to face. Talking to people regionally, other regional councils, district councils. Found that very useful. And just realising we're all probably in the same boat, we're just trying to learn from each other basically. And so thank you for the opportunity for letting me get down there.
Okay, thank you, Councillor Williamson. Yep, and we'll detail our report at the next meeting.
Worship.
All right, Councillor Christosky.
May I just inquire? I understand the issue of freedom camping came up and whether or not it should be dealt with through a national policy statement by central government. Can you shed some more light on that?
I probably can. So it did come up and it was passed as a resolution in the or a remit in the local government meeting. More recently, though, central government have indicated an unwillingness to move in the short term. So I've watched this space.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, reports to Tina and Janie. Just a resolution there. Thank you. Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried. Okay, resolution to exclude the public. Matters outlined. Member, please. Councillor Truman, seconded by Councillor Johns. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried. Does anyone want a little pit stop? No?
No.
Carry on. Okay, we're